Today let's learn how to program a meeting room keycard. The first step is to make sure you receive the first and last name of the guest. In this sample video, our first name will be test and last name will be key. So make sure that you always have the first and last name of the guest who you are providing the group key or a meeting room key. Next step is to log in to SafeLock client app on the desktop using your 4-digit user ID and 4-digit password. We will not be able to show you the user ID and password, so in this video we will erase that one. So once you are logged in, select Make User Keys, and for meeting rooms we make individual master key. So select Key Group Individual Master. And key function, by default it is make standard key, so leave it as make standard key. Key make mode, make sure we make a duplicate key so we are not deactivating the previously made keys. Then the next one is to select which meeting room we are preparing the key for. In this case, let's make a key for Washington. So you select Washington, then make sure encoder station is 5. That's the encoder station, which is located in our engineering workshop. So encoder 5. Once you select the encoder 5, then you need to enter first name and last name. Last name is key, test key. And if it is for a staff, we select staff. And if it's for guest, make sure we change it to guest. Then select the date and time the key expires. So for today's request, it was for 3 days. So we select 29, 30, 31. So the key expires on the 31st. Starting today and ending on 31st at 11:59 p.m. Then you select next, and you're making an additional duplicate key, so select next. If you would like to add more access or more door locks, you can search here and add it. And in this case, we are not just making for the meeting room key, so select next and read all this. And information of the floor, Marriott Bellevue is the property. Selected yes and hit next. Review the details here and then select make key. Then you will see the encoder is flashing green. Then you take the key card from the key card box. Make sure you scan it before the timeout. So let's go back and select make key. Now it's flashing green. Please scan the key card here. You heard the beep sign, and now it's ready. Go back and make sure that you interrogate the key card, selecting here. Select yes. Now scan the key card again and verify the key information is correct. So it's for Washington, standard master key. Sequence status, make sure it's current. If it's showing old or expired, which means the date is not correct, then check over here the start date and expiry date. Then you always have to make sure the key is physically tested in the lock. So make sure once you prepare the key, always test the key on the designated lock and ensure that the key card works. It's very important because sometimes the key could be malfunctioning or the lock may not be integrated or not working properly. So always physically go to the door lock and test it in order to complete the entire process. Thank you for attending the SOP and training for meeting room keys. See you in next training video.